Hello everyone, it's Mary from Elementary Engagement, and today I'd like to share with you how I use Place Value task cards in my math challenge bin. Now when I taught 4th grade, I created 4 sets of Place Value task cards using numbers up to 1 million. These task cards now work perfectly as a challenge for my 2nd graders. So in each one of the task card centers, there's a set of 20 task cards. This particular set requires students to name a number in a given place value. Now, students have 3 different options when they come to the center. The first option would be for them to come with a dry erase marker and fill in the answers on this laminated recording sheet. Once their answers are filled out, they can self-check their answers on this answer key. Students can come by themselves for this option, or they can come with a partner so they can talk through any answers that one of them may have missed. The second option would be for students to come up to the center and do a straight partner quiz, where one student answers the questions and the other student has the answer key, and so they can check each other. Again, if a student misses an answer, the idea is for them to work with their partner and go through and discuss why the correct answer is correct. The third option would be for students to play the cards on a game board, and this particular game board was a free download on Tim's Printables, and you can see the link to this site right below my video, so you can check that out. They have tons of great printables there. Great site. Anyway, if students choose to use this option, they're allowed 2 to 4 players at the game, and I provided linker cubes and a dice, so each student takes turn answering a question on the task cards, and if they get it correct, they get to roll the dice right away and move forward. If they miss the question, they are given a second opportunity to get the answers correct. If they miss the answer a second time, then they work together either with their partner or in this small group, depending on how many players there are, and they make sure that everybody understands why the correct answer is correct. Because this is a challenge skill, in each one of my task card centers, I included 2 different posters. So the first poster kind of goes through the different number types, the different forms and ways to write numbers. And the second one just gives an example of numbers and what the place value is for each number. So students can use these as a reference when trying to figure out their answer, or as a reference when they're explaining the correct answer to another student. Finally, I included the list of 3 options, so each one of the task card centers has the 3 options just in case students need a reminder of what they're able to do at the center. So I hope this was helpful for you, whether you use task card centers for your whole class or you have specific task card centers designed for a specific group of students. I would love to hear your ideas on how you use task card centers. Please feel free to write any questions or comments at the end of this post. Thank you and have a great day.